ليش شوف لي وجهك؟ أنا ما أدري ليش شو أسوي؟ يعني لا Yo, yo, any video?
my business, bro, for sale. How much? How much you want to spend, bro? It's it will be worth £1 million in 5 years. Honest. But name alone, look, that name alone is worth 20,000. What's the offer? For a bike,
Thank you.
Welcome,